In 2015, Britain's biggest burglary was pulled off by a gang of pensioners. The Hatton Gardens safe deposit vault was supposed to be unbreakable, underground, concrete walls 6 feet thick, state-of-the-art alarms. But 76-year-old Brian Reeder had a plan. His crew spent months studying the building. They brought a diamond-tipped drill, and they had all Easter weekend to work. While London slept, these elderly criminals bored through solid concrete, squeezed through a 10-inch hole, and methodically cracked open 73 safety deposit boxes, 14 million pounds in cash, diamonds, and jewelry, loaded in shopping trolleys like a grocery run. For days, it looked like the perfect crime. But the police had thousands of hours of security footage, phone records, forensic evidence. One by one, the gang members were identified, tracked down, arrested. The case shocked Britain, not because of what was stolen, but because the thieves were old enough to collect pensions, the most audacious heist in British history, pulled off by grandparents